Grain Feed and Milling Magazine Weekly News Review powered by Grain Tech Bangladesh 2024. Morocco has changed its import scheme to secure wheat supplies.
A feature of rice mill machine ventilation performance-related studies.
Pack China hybrid rice coupe moves ahead amid global headwinds.
Stand up for Grain Safety Week 2023.
Argil, Cubic Foods collaborate on novel fat technology to accelerate customer innovation of plant-based foods.
India to benefit from EU proposal to raise residue limits for rice fungicide tricyclazole.
UK flour millers DLP students win highest achievement award from President Roger Butler.
Researchers in China and Singapore recently developed an approach for calculating and replacing rice.
A regular advertiser. Grain Tech Bangladesh 2024, exclusive media partner Grain Feed and Milling Magazine.
IOM Euro-Asia Conference and Expo, media partner Grain Feed and Milling Magazine.
Thanks for watching.